Well, I slept in, but that's okay. Jeff and Dakota were up working, but I brought McDonald's. That ought to make up for me being late. We don't know if you're going to put some of the trim back on or not, so if you decide to, you're going to have to put those little pins back on yourself. Look at that. Smooth finish, mud going on that. We are getting there, buddy. Brian, you made it tough on us. We have to go dumpster diving and looking behind the shop. If we'd have just taken this home, we'd have never found this beautiful piece of bumper molding for the front of the car, which I hope is your good one. If you have a new one somewhere, that would have been nice to know. .120, day 3. All the welding's done. Everything's on. I'm working this rear quarter. Everything else is done. Well, not all the welding's done. See this nice big gap? Kind of goes wowie. Well, the other side was almost as bad, but we got a magician in here working their magic about that. It'd be a lot easier if we didn't care the quality, Brian, but I guess we do. Okay, we're still hoping to get it in primer today and haul home. See you later. What's that? Okay, it's about 4:30. Look at this. We are prepping for paint.
Primer.
For primer. Prepping for primer, I guess I didn't use the right terminology for Jeff. I guess primer isn't paint? I don't know, somebody explain that one to my English class. Look at that. Those doors. Well, Brian, this is kind of a bitch. Oh, I don't know if I can say that word. I might have my students edit this. I'll have to edit it out. No, we're not mowing your lawn too. That's a neighbor. I mean, come on. What do you think? Haven't done enough work this weekend, Jeff, Dakota, and myself? Can't believe we did it. Mike came in and helped a little bit last night. Had some people show up for support, but never thought we'd get this puppy. So, got a couple of fans going. The reason why is because we're prepping for some primer, baby. Can you say primer, baby? Woohoo! All taped up. Ready to rock and roll. Sure, say hi to Brian.
Hi, Brian. They're having a good time.
Yeah, we're a little rummy by now. I got it a little bit with the door open. Watching two-lane blacktop.
Oh, I know it. Serious, you guys. You know what he'll do is he'll be down there every chance he gets helping you with yours. What can I do? What can I do?
I know. We'll get him out of the house one way or another. There you go, Brian. It's all one color. This car's never been all one color in its life. There's another accomplice. Now, we're trying to get them all.
Mama, what are you doing?
So, Jeff forgot the nozzle for his paint gun. So we started using yours and it didn't work very well. I went and bought one that kind of crapped out. Harbor Freight. Now he's back to using yours again. One way or another, we're going to have primer on it before we take it. Okay, it's about like 8 o'clock, day 3. There you go. End of day 3. Load that thing up in a few hours. Head for Grantsville.
What we did?
Like you kind of told me a little bit about the back.
There's another accomplice.
You're the only one that doesn't know, Brian.
Oh, it's gonna be so good. Alright.
Well, Sarah says we're gonna start right up. We're gonna drive it down the road, run it around the block,
Brian's like,
pull flashlights out the window for
wait a minute,
lights.
wait a minute.
So, yeah, what do you have to do then?
Tell her.
Like here. See this gap? It went up and then it went really tight. So it sliced it.
Well, Brian, here we go. About to load it up and take it home.
Just gotta find a tire iron.
I don't know. We're wondering if it'll start and drive up on the trailer, but we know what happened once when Jeff tried to drive a new vehicle up on the trailer.
Oh yeah.
So,
That wasn't pretty.
yeah, we're not sure.
Not doing that again.
Maybe I should.
So that's it, bud. In your garage. Yeah.
It's gonna be a beauty.
End of day 3.